Hello guys, welcome back to Janice Home Bakes. Today I'm going to share with you how I created this French macarons, no resting and no waiting needed. So the first thing I like to do is to prepare my trays lined with baking paper and gather my ingredients. Also at this point, I would preheat my oven at 150 degrees Celsius. I would also prepare a piping bag and a piping tip. This is number 12 round tip from Wilton, or you can use 2A. Now for the ingredients, here I am going to sift my almond flour and icing sugar together 3 times on a parchment paper. That way I will be getting rid of all the lumps that we don't want into our macarons. Finally, we put it in a bowl and set it aside while we prepare the egg whites or the meringue. Now we want to make sure that our bowl is clean, grease-free and dry, as well as our wire whisk. Pour the egg whites in. Start whisking and add the lemon juice. At this point, guys, we are going to start adding our caster sugar a little at a time. We need to add the sugar a little at a time because we don't want to deflate the meringue. I think I did this in a total of 3 to 4 batches. We need to check the texture in between just to make sure that we don't overbeat it. So this is ready, guys, and you can do a test by turning your bowl over, and if the egg whites or the meringue doesn't fall off, then it is ready to go. Please pay attention to the texture of your batter. This is one of the most important parts of making macarons. This stage is not ready just yet, just a little bit more. Now when you see your batter continues to flow without breaking, then that is ready. You have to stop mixing. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you. See you at the next video. Bye.